Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to download apps in iPhone without Apple ID password. So guys, if you have forgotten your Apple ID password and want to download the apps from App Store without Apple ID password, then I'll help you how to download. So guys, easily you can download apps. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, simply you need to open your settings in your iPhone. And guys, after this, you need to click on your Apple ID and name, and guys after this you need to scroll it down, and guys here is the option of media and purchases. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and guys here is the option of password settings. So guys, you need to click on it, and guys this type of interface will be open. So guys, first of all you need to click on required after 15 minutes, and guys after this make sure that it is off. So guys, if it is on free downloads, then you need to off it, and guys after doing off you need to go back. And guys, the second method is you need to open your settings again, and guys after this you need to scroll it down, and here is the option of screen time. So guys, simply you need to click on screen time, and guys after this you need to scroll down. Here is the option of content and privacy restrictions. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and guys after this turn on this content and privacy restrictions, and guys after this here is the option of iTunes and app purchases. So guys, you need to click on it, and guys after this if it is click on always require, then you need to click on don't require. And guys after doing these two settings, then you will be able to download apps from App Store without Apple ID password. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.